up, kings and queens? It's your girl, Court.
How your girl, Kai. And today, we finna go do a mukbang, and I'm gonna answer some questions that my wife may have for me.
Yup.
And
confessions, y'all. We do a big confession.
I guess we're gonna do big confessions or
and
whatever.
A mukbang.
You know, at the same time. But I'm interested to see what it is that my wife into asking me.
You can ask me the same questions
I'm gonna be truthful. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna count. I'm gonna be very truthful.
Yep.
And y'all just stay tuned.
Alright, so we're on our way to the Taco Bell right now. When we get to the Taco Bell, we're gonna come back on the camera and we're gonna get started. But in the meantime, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that motherfucking bell.
Damn, all y'all gotta say
We're back.
We're back, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all love Taco Bell.
Check and see if this mine or yours. Because I know mine was Dorito.
You got it. This is yours.
Dorito.
Alright, y'all. I'm going to pull up the confession questions. We're going to get the food in order, though, because we hungry.
Alright, these are three of mine. These are the lights we share. And your tacos are in the bag.
Thank you. I ain't messy, so excuse me.
I'm about to fuck this up. Messy.
Mukbang.
Oh!
Mukbang, bitches.
Ooh! That motherfucker ain't put no sour cream on it. I should have taken this whole bag.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so Kai has to answer these questions with nothing but the truth. The question number 1. Have you ever cheated while in a relationship?
In a relationship?
While in a relationship.
Yeah.
You cheated on me while we was in a relationship?
Not you. But I've cheated. Just like you have.
I didn't cheat.
You didn't cheat on me, but you cheated in a relationship.
I'm talking about with me.
Oh no, you said while
all these questions is with me.
Oh.
Have you ever cheated while you was with me?
I thought about it. I mean, never shoot.
I like these questions because you're single. Question number 2.
But why you gonna ask me? Hold on, Paul.
You wanted to do this for y'all. Question number 2. Have you ever had sex in any public place?
Yes.
Besides the park?
We fucked in plenty places. On my car. In the parking lot. In our car. At the gas station we forgot. Behind the building.
Question number 3.
Hold on. Behind the building.
Question number 3. Have you ever had a crush on one of my friends while you was in a relationship?
Nah, but we fucked a lot of places. I mean, you were busting that, but let me tell you. Corey wasn't no saint, boy.
When was the last time you watched porn?
With you?
When was the last time?
Been a couple months.
Is there something you love that you would sacrifice just for me?
Yeah.
What is it?
What is it?
Excuse me, y'all.
Money.
Do you ever look through a stud, film, or dyke TikTok and post a flirtatious comment? So you ain't never comment under a bitch post before.
Not no stud, no dyke.
It say feminine.
When we was on and off, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta admit. No, they done did some shit like they wasn't.
Next question.
Just taking that ass, you know, making baby.
Next question. Have you ever texted anybody other than your spouse for 24 hours straight?
I don't even like the text. You can see my phone. This phone right here alone got
Next question.
a lot of messages. So damn, why you going so fast? We supposed to be talking to the people. Just chill. Did you even try to eat one yet?
I did eat one.
You did?
I did.
523 messages that I haven't read.
Have you ever told somebody while you was in a relationship with me that you love them?
Not while I was in a relationship with you.
That's the question. While you was in a relationship with me, did you tell somebody that you love them?
I told the bitch that outside of this relationship. Yep.